Welcome to part 7 of this series. In this video, we configure the SAP Launchpad. Until now, we open our application directly using their URLs. Now, we integrate them into the Launchpad so that users can access them from a central entry point. We will create the necessary content, assign roles, and make the deployed apps available in the Launchpad. After this part, our applications can be opened directly from a Launchpad interface. This tutorial was created with ZDS version 8. Please check your version by running ZDS-V in your terminal. This will tell you if you are using version 8 or version 9. If there are differences in ZDS version 9, I will mark them with a red V8 label in the top left corner of the screen. After that, I will briefly explain what is different in version 9. In all manifest.json files inside the web app folder of our apps, there must be an entry for cross navigation under SAP Point App. Looks like in UI5, cross navigation, and the same in the Elements app, cross navigation. We copy this and open the admin app. This is a new app we created after we make the project to an MTA project. Now the cross navigation is not found, and we go inside this brackets. We must create it. I created at the end the cross navigation and change it. The name of the object inside inbound is a combination of the app ID and the action. We found it on the top of the manifest.json file in the beginning of SAP Point App. And replace it with the ID. The action name is the same. The semantic object is also the app ID. And the rest is similar to the other apps. Rewrite this file. The action can be freely chosen. In most cases, display is a good choice. And after adding the configuration, we deploying the app again. Important note, this step is always required whenever a new app is added into the existing MTA project. After deployment, we open the SAP Build Work Zone Standard Edition app in the SAP account. If this doesn't work, go to users and assign the same roles from this default identity provider user to this user for the application identity provider. And after this, log out and relog in, and you can try to clear the cookies and clear the cache, and then go to the SAP account and open the app SAP Build Work Zone Standard Edition. As you can see, my language is set to German. I was able to switch SAP BTP to English, but unfortunately SAP Build Work Zone is still displayed in German. Inside the Work Zone, we open the Channel Manager and refresh the HTML5 apps. After this, we switch to the Content Manager and open the Content Explorer. We select the HTML5 apps here or here. It takes a little bit time to refresh the list. So you go back or refresh the app list. And then we have the apps here. And we select all. Then we add the selected item to the content. We're going back to the Content Manager. And here the application should now be visible here. Now we create a Launchpad group. In the Content Manager, we will create a new group. We enter a title of the group like tutorial apps and a description if we want. The name of the group should be a higher level name, for example the project name, not the name of the app. In the list below, we assign the corresponding apps to these groups. Then we save the group. If not all apps are visible in the list, it is most likely due to missing cross-navigation configuration. We create this in the previous video. When you change something in the apps, you must refresh the HTML5 apps every time in the channel manager. In the site directory or website directory, we create a new website. We named them Launchpad. Then we go back to the Workzone standard app and go to the Content Manager. Here we have the group, the apps, and the default role for everyone. But we want to create an own role. We named them tutorial all apps. The same is the ID. Role for all apps. And then we assign any apps and save the role. In this example, I assign all apps to demonstrate the principle. In your case, you make more roles and assign one or more apps to these roles. And then we return to SAP Build Work Zone and going to the website directory, and we open the settings. And here, we go to the role assignments. Edit the configuration and assign this new role and save them. If an error message appears after login, you can ignore it. In the SAP BTP, we must assign this role to the user. I do this for both identity provider and now we go into the website directory and open the Launchpad. If the apps are not displayed, you have a problem with the cache or cookies on login. And now common errors and solution. First, are the apps not displayed in the Launchpad? Please check if the user from the identity provider for application has assigned the roles for these apps and the groups we have created before. And the second is, if an app doesn't start from the Launchpad, like here, it is usually caused by an incorrect route in the xs-app.json of the app. We going to the app we have added after we create the MTA project, and we added the xs-app.json, and we see the destination is tutorial.admin. We must change this to the name of the service app, this one. We copy this. And add API. We can compare this to the other app. And we see this here, tutorial SRV API. The rest is correct. We can activate this to true, write and quit, and we must redeploy the app completely. After this, wrong directory. After the deployment, the app works correctly. And we can create an entry here, ID 4, test from Launchpad, stock 1, and we open this app now locally in hybrid mode. Open the local address and going to the Elements app, and we see the entry here. In this video, we configure the Launchpad and integrated our deployed applications. Our apps can now open directly from a central entry point. In the next part, we will set up CI/CD using SAP BTP. We will also look at cloud transport management and give a short demonstration of the SAP Alert notification service. Thank you for watching. I would really appreciate a like and a follow.